Hi my blessed people on this app. For today's tutorial, I will share with you how to do 3D animation. Which means a cartoon you face, just like the way they see at the screen there. They perform the same action, do how they talk, do how they move. If something that you are interested in, hit the plus follow me, like the video, let me know what thing I mind in the comment section. With your comment, this update will help push the video to more interested people. Share to 5, and above all, add it to favorite, because definitely you are going to need it back. This tutorial, let's go look for Capcut. Click on it. You click on it and say new project. Example, you select now, look the videos there. Which means the cartoon you face, just like the way they see at the screen there. They perform the same action, you are the top. Okay, now after we don't select the video, you click the activator. You don't know, as you see, how to activate the video. You look for effect in the drawer, click on it. You click on body effect. You wait till the menus are there done for download. So now they don't download. You swap to right, let's say image at the right end. You click on it. You wait. This is not the cartoon the way they are available, as you see them before appear. Now the different cartoon the way they different one there. So let's use this one. One minute a little bit better. Now I use this one. Let's see. Let's wait. Just like the way they see at the screen there. Now you don't appear. Action. You are the talk. You are the move. Now you don't appear. Just this. Which means the cartoon you face, just like this one. So what I'll make una do? No, keep the knowledge with yourself. Share to people then. Just see in the moving head like you are the move me on. Share to more people there. Thank you. God bless you all.